Stop, stop, stop. World. Sorry, I'm just kind of slow. No slow for me. God, this guy is such a tank. Oh! Oh! What? That was crazy. David. That was crazy. Oh my God.
Tell me when you're done making videos.
Let's see if I could do this again. Thickness. Thickness. Huh, get it? Thickness. As in penis. Yeah, you get it. Ah! What? No, go where? Oh. Sounds like a lightsaber. Just a tad. Oh my goodness, wait. Oh. I feel a disturbance in the force. One sec, guys. Sorry, guys. Please don't happen. Please don't have what happened last time. That was. I'm still just. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude, that was crazy. Ha! Wait, what? Oh no! Dude. I saved the kid, but I got shanked in the nuts. Multi-glass break. Yes. Oh my God. Pew. I just made it more difficult for myself. But I'm gonna do it. That did nothing but break the one. Oh, wait. All I ever want to see is my... Copyright. What's the problem, David? Everybody in frickin' spinning glass.
It makes a hard level.
It does not. It does not make a hard level. What you doing? You better not puss out on me and go to sleep. Go, glass. Yes. You go first. Demo glass. Ha! Dude, wow, really? Yes! Oh no, oh my god, spinning bottles. This is gonna be crazy. Oh my god. You go first, glass. Ow, my back. Bitches. Yeah! Back up. I want to break every bottle with my kid's face. Oh, God, that backfired. Yes, kid, die. Yes! The kid just got demolished. Oh, yeah. Front wheelie. Oh. All I ever want is to see you smiling, smiling. David! Don't go to sleep. You are. Wait. Oh, how'd I know? I'm resting my eyes. I don't know. I'm doing... One sec, guys. Video's almost over anyways. Only 39%.
All the videos recording
Yeah. Well,
actually look pretty good.
uploading. Well, what you said. You know more about it. Ting. All I want to...